to everyone. I have a new tank pad and you're asking yourself what is wrong. So I have to inform you, I have to give you a little update. There was something wrong with my previous tank pad. Let's see what went wrong. There is nothing wrong, guys, with this tank pad, but as you see here, it's already the white part coming out, so it means that it's damaged. So what is the problem? This is completely my fault because I installed it under this GV plate, and as you can see, this part, it's pushing the tank pad down, and here it's just the part that it's already damaged. So the pressure on the tank pad made that here we have a hole, as you can see, and the same it's on the other side. So here, what is the solution? Probably a new tank pad, I said to myself, and I just bought one. So there is nothing wrong with this Onedesign tank pad, but it was really my mistake. I just thought that it could be under the mount, so under this GV mount, and that it also looks cool, but finally I realized that I made a mistake, and now I have a hole here, and after some rain it is gonna be even worse, in my opinion. That's why I am gonna install a new one. I already have it, so it is a little bit smaller, and I think that it is gonna fit perfectly. I mean, a lot better than this one, because this one, if we are honest, it's a little bit too long, in my opinion, and that is why this also happened. So I will let you know how this one will fit on the Yamaha Tracer 9 in the future, but I'm not gonna do again a video because the procedure of the installment of this one is the same. So you should be careful and use the hair dryer, and the surface should be dry and clean. This was all, guys. I just made a mistake and I have a new tank pad right now. It is ready to be installed. I hope that this one will work for me, and please do me a favor and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.